Hello, hello again, actually. Uh, if you did see the previous live stream, which is now deleted, uh, I had to take that call. It was important. So, actually, I've been trying to get like a remote job where from an, another country, probably US, UK. So that's what I'm trying, and it was related to that. Let's see if I can get that. That has been a goal since a long time, since a few months now. Uh, so it was. Let's check out what problem do we have today. I think I'll do this daily, and Uh, I was actually in the last stream. I was saying I want the hard problem right now, because have actually a lot of time. But okay, let's do an easy one. There is a bidirectional graph with n vertices. Okay, uh, where each vertex is labeled from 0 to n minus 1 inclusive. The edge of the graph is represented in 2D array edges. So this is edges which where each vertex edge of I is equals to u of I v of I denotes bidirectional. Okay, every vertex pair is connected by at most one edge, and no vertex has an edge to itself. You want to determine if there is a valid path that exists from vertex source to vertex destination. Given edges and an integer n, source and destination, return true if there is a valid path from source to destination, or false otherwise. Okay, simple. We'll make a graph, we'll do a search. Uh, Not much. Uh, we'll do a BFS or DFS. We can all do anyone, it doesn't matter. Um, let's make a graph right now. So, unordered map int comma end mp. Oh, vector int comma vector int. Let's insert all the edges for and I is equals to 0, I smaller than, and size. So I'm getting the size I smaller than n, I plus plus. Now let's insert. Uh, I could also have just taken like x of edges, but it's okay. Let's do that only. Let's let's just comment this and let's try that. I don't use this syntax a lot, which I should use, so I want it to be in practice. EDGES. Let's just see out x of 0. As I don't use this syntax a lot, I want return 1. Let's. No, I want to just check if see out's the correct. Is the Where's the console? 00000354. Yep. So yeah. So now we can do mp of x of 0 dot push back x of 1, and similarly as it is bidirectional, we push on like x of 1 push on back x of 0. So now we have the map. There should be a proper CR for printing out maps and all that. I don't like this very much where like I have to iterate through and to just print out in C++. I like it very much in Java and Golang where there are like normal print also does print a lot of things. Okay. Now we have to do a search from source to destination. Okay. So map unordered map int comma bool. Basically, it will tell us if that number has been visited first or not. If it has been visited, we don't have to go further. Now we can do BFS of, we can just return this, I guess. BFS help of, oh, okay. We can put out like this outside because we don't want to pass it every time, and uh, source comma destination. Okay. Bool help. It will take int s comma int d comma also the graph. Yeah. It takes in the graph. If this of s return, what do I want to return if this of s false? Will I return false? Yep. If this if this of s return false. Uh, if s equals to d return true. Okay. Uh, I'm actually like doing DSA after a long time. So like you can see, so I'm a bit slower right now. But that's the point. You can see I haven't done it a lot from the last few months. Uh, but that's the point of me doing it live. Um, okay, so if s of s is if we have already visited, we'll return 0. Okay. If s equals to d, we'll return a 1. Bool answer equals to 0. And for int I is equals to 0, I smaller than int n is equals to g of s dot size. So I'm getting the size. I'll explain everything after I do this. I plus plus. Okay. And int I is equals to 0, I is equals to then I plus plus. Okay. ANS is equals to ANS or BFS of G of S I comma, let's pass in this as a reference. BFS G of S comma I comma, destination will be same and G graph will be same. Return ANS. I guess this should work. Let's just check this out. Oh, I'm using help as in the name. Though I could have used BFS also. Source destination, comma, MP. And okay. Oh, okay. It's off. An order map MP vector int. Let me just check. First thing first, if I'm getting the map properly. For a into x comma MP for int I is equals to 0, I smaller than x dot second dot size I plus plus. Uh, let's do this syntax only. AU2O y of x C out y x dot second. See out. Let's see if we are getting a bidirectional graph correct. First things first. Okay, so 5, 3, 3. 0 should have 1 and 0 should have 2. Okay, let's do this. X C out x dot first 4 has 5 and 4 has 3. Yeah, this is correct. Okay. So we are getting the correct input. Mm, 5s, 3 and 4, 2s, 0, 2, 0. Yeah. This is a easy problem. I have actually done this like in my old laptop, but currently my mind is blocking, and I already didn't feel a lot confident about this when I was writing it because I remember the patterns that I used to write, but right now, help. So I'm passing source and I'm passing destination. Okay. Now, and the graph. Now, if vis of s, if that has already been visited, I'll return 0. Uh, if s is equals to d, I'll return 1 if it has been found. If it's not found, then bool answer is 0. N will be g of s source dot size. Okay. Let me just see out and right now. What is the source? Source is 0. 0, the size is actually 2. So we are getting this correct. What I'm getting wrong? I don't understand. I'm leaking somewhere. An order map. Let's pass in the visitor also. Oh, I this s is equals to 1. I did forget to do this. I guess this would be the problem. Okay. What? This. Yeah. Just a dumb error. Uh, so please do like, subscribe. But yeah, honestly, it means a lot if you like. I don't say subscribe, share, like that's your choice. But I got one more like, thanks, buddy, who was there. Let's submit it. Let's see. And that's an acceptable solution. I took so much time for like, oh, ooh, hey, this is very cool. What they're doing. I didn't see that before, and I like it. Uh, let's just try it once more, and we'll see if I do have like uh I have uh deduced that me streaming has made my uh answers a bit the answers do depend on the internet speed, the percent like it how much it beats. So let's see what others have answered. Four solutions. Okay. Java. Let's see. Union find without a rank consideration. Yeah, I have also elog me, I guess. No, I have V plus E. Yeah, I have V plus E. Uh, is V plus E better than E log V? I guess so. Yeah, what I did was DFS, not PFS. So that's why I wrote it as help, because I always have some confusion between these two. I know when to use what, but I do name them wrong, which I have to correct. It must be highlighted that the case of union-find solution with rank for all practical purpose, O of alpha n is regarded as O of n on average. Alpha refers to the inverse. We should learn union find sometime. I actually, I can solve almost every graph question with DFS and BFS. So, like, I can solve 90% of all the questions with like recursion, graph recursion. So, it doesn't make like it doesn't. I never regarded all these algorithms as like learning because I could solve the questions, but I do understand I should learn union find and like all these algorithms. It has been a high time for me. Okay, I guess that's it. Do we have any chats? Nope. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for joining.